Welcome to SciTech Info, dear UPSC, TNPSC, NEET and JEE aspirants and school and college students.
Good day to everyone. Welcome to SciTech. My name is M. Karthik, and I'm going to talk about what you mean by TNPC. TNPC stands for Tamil Nadu Public Service Commission. The TNPC Public Service Commission held every year for a different test for different examination and as in different eligibility also. The TNPSC eligibility starts from SSLC, that means 10th standard to a degree standard. So there are the variety of examination for that. So there are different type of examination from group 1, 2, 2A, 3, 4 and combined CES, VOA and DEO. From that there are many stages of it. In that the main for that for the earlier period from later period before that 2000 2010 or 1990 TNPSC conducting this examination, that once they had group 3 and group 3 and different type of examination also there, but they ask a different type of eligibility for that. For an example, from group 1 onwards is a degree standard examination which has prelims, general studies, in that aptitude, mental ability. They are the prelims. There is a first phase of the examination, then comes a mains of three different papers, and each have 3 hours plus interview. Then comes the NPSC group 2 and 2A. So 2 and 2A means group 2 has an interview stage, and group 2A no interview stage. So in that group 2 consists of prelims, mains plus interview. In that the prelims is same as the topic of group 1, but mains, in that there are 2 stages. One is translation stage, is a basic stage of the examination, and the mains there are 2 exam 1 and 2 for group 2. In that first is translation stage, second stage is comprehension, essay writing, letter to the letter writing, etc. These are the mains schedule papers. In that main mark plus interviews gives you the job opportunity for a group 2. 2 is consider only mains paper, there is no interviews. What are the marks scored in group 2A mains paper, you will get higher mark is scored, you get a higher job opportunity. And group 3A same as prelims only they conducted, and plus they have in that same prelims portions of group 2, plus they have extra one topic known as general English, basic grammar, or that general English or general Tamil. Then comes group 4, same prelims examination, and the same portion of group 3, and BO also prelims the same portion. The major difference is that the job, what you seek is based upon the examination attended. For example, if a BO post gives some starting salary is 30,000, means group 4 is 30,000, means group 4 will be 40,000, and group 2 will be 50,000 to 56 55, and group 1 means 60,000 to 70,000. Likewise they divided the job and the role for that per month, the role. And the unique exam for engineer for TNPSC is CES, combined engineering service examination. In that there are 2 papers, paper 1, paper 2, and interview post. In that paper 1 means is a selected department of engineering, they will be giving you engineering separate. For example, you are civil engineering means there is a topic, different topic on civil engineering topic. Then for mechanical means there is a unique topic of department, unique syllabus for that, plus general studies. Paper 2 consists of general studies and aptitude. In this important point is each paper is paper 1 for just 2 hours and paper 2 for just 2 hours. So totally 4 hours of examination with hours some break, and as an interview. In interview they check your personal details by giving from current affairs, tell about yourself, what you know about you, and what you know about the surrounding, in what are the things you know surrounding inside you, surrounding over you. Overall they will ask you mental abilities and your character are tested in interview. Generally interview consists of some grades. In that some maximum grade will be 30 80 etc. And finally is district education officer. This education office generally comes with prelims, mains, and interview. In this district education officer, generally paper one generally studies like as ordinary talk as group 2 and 2 syllable films are concerned PU plus means conceptual general studies paper descriptive type, and finally interview also they conducted in that, and they gave a separate mark for it. So that's all. Thank you.
யாம் பெற்ற இன்பம் பெருக இவ்வையகம் என்பதற்கேற்ப please subscribe if you like our educational contents and share with your family and friends. Thank you for spending your valuable time.